Hello, my name is George Najera. Welcome to this lovely home located in Santa Ana, 4520 Silver Drive, located in the northwest side of Santa Ana, borderline of Garden Grove. Walking distance to Rosita Park with the new large community center, which has an indoor basketball court, swimming pool, meeting rooms, and you're only a couple minutes away from the 22 freeway. Let me show you. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,375 square feet, over 6,200 square foot lot. Come on in. As we come into the house, you're welcome with the living room, tile floor, nice fireplace for your family gatherings. Okay. If you follow me through, you'll see this upgraded kitchen. As you walk in the upgraded kitchen, you'll notice how huge this kitchen is. Enough room for your family gatherings, tile floor, updated cabinets, black granite, newer appliances. Lovely. Plenty of room to invite all your friends and family. Come on down. Let me show you the bedrooms now. As we enter the hallway, we'll go to the first bedroom. First bedroom has wood floors, new custom paint. Okay. Nice big area window for the backyard. If we continue back to the other hall, you'll have the second bedroom, has updated wood flooring, updated paint, ceiling fan, okay, crown molding. As we continue down the hallway, you'll be welcome into the updated kitchen, new tile wall, and tile in the bathtub. And finally, we're in the master bedroom. This master bedroom has a lot of lighting. You have a sliding window that leads out to the backyard and your own private restroom. The shower has just been upgraded with new tile work. Hurry, this home is not gonna last. Primary location. Make sure you come and check out the house before it's sold. Thank you.